Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. So, do you want to know how you can fasten your manifestation? Whatever you are manifesting, there is one technique that can help you achieve it faster, and that technique is visualization. So, do you know how to visualize? There are many people, I think 90% of the people cannot visualize, and that's the problem. When we ask them, close your eyes and try to visualize that you have already achieved your goal, that is the toughest part for them. But don't worry, in this video, I'll tell you a very simple way which can help you visualize your dream goal. So, AI tools, a lot of people are using AI tools, be it ChatGPT, be it Bard, lot of tools. And I'm going to use those tools to help you visualize faster. So, let's see how we can do that. So, you can use any AI tool, but I am using ChatGPT for my video. So, you can just go to ChatGPT. Now, let's say your dream goal is that you want to go on a vacation to Switzerland and you want to manifest it. Now, how do you create the visualization scene? So you can simply go to ChatGPT and you can type, "Hi, I am manifesting a vacation to Switzerland. Please create a visualization scene for me. Describe I am in Switzerland, how I feel, what am I seeing, what can I hear, how is the weather, etc. I want to use this visualization as part of a meditation. Please create a 10 minutes meditation for me, which will visualize that I am already in Switzerland. Okay. So did you see how easy it was? So what we will do is we have created a meditation. Now I'll tell you how you can record this meditation in your own voice. But look at it, it has actually created a 10-minute guided visualization for you. It's a meditation, but it will help you visualize that you have already achieved your goal of visiting Switzerland. So basically, this is the first part of meditation where you try to calm your mind, you do body scanning and stuff. Now, this is the second part. Arriving in Switzerland, begin to visualize yourself standing at base of a majestic mountain range. The air is cool, crisp, fresh. Breathe it in, letting its purity fill your lungs and rejuvenate your body. Look around, snow-capped peaks. You are standing on a grassy meadow with vibrant wildflowers blooming at your feet. The colors of the flowers are bright. And then, the path takes you through a thick forest of evergreens. The tall trees are strong, grounded. You see, like how beautifully it is describing a scene. Don't worry, I'll actually copy this response and I'll paste it in my YouTube video description so you can go over it. But do try it. Now, once you have the script right, you can modify it. Instead of visualize you are standing, you can say, I am standing on a green mountain. I can see a lot of greenery. You can change it a bit so that it's personalized. If you want to travel to Switzerland in business class, you can also visualize that, I'm taking my flight and I'm traveling in business class and all that. You can add all that here. Now, how do you record it? So for recording it, what do? Is you go to YouTube and you find, background, Zen music, anything, right? And you just play it, and you can take your phone and you can just read the script, and you can play this background music, any soothing music, anything that you like. If you want to play a song, you can also do that, and you record it. But when you are speaking it, right, speak it as if you are feeling it. So, like record it as if you are feeling it. For example, if you can see beautiful mountain ranges, so while you are recording with a background music at a very low volume, you will say, and I see vast, beautiful mountains surrounding me. It's so serene. It's so peaceful. So, you know, don't just read it, feel it, and then speak it and, record it. Now, what do you have to do? Now, you have your visualization meditation created. Every time you wake up or before you go to sleep, you just listen to it and you do all the steps, like you close your eyes and you do whatever the meditation is telling you. So it's a very easy way where you can create your own visualization, own meditation, which will help you, fasten any manifestation. And it's not Switzerland. If you're manifesting something for health, a new job, or, anything in life, you can simply do it. Try it out and let me know if it helped you. And if you have any ideas, any suggestion for any video that you want me to create, do let me know. Bye. Take care.